Go ahead. Go Dee Dee. Go Dee Dee. Go Dee Dee. Go Dee Dee. Get it 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 Dee Dee. Go Dee Dee. Go. Go. Hey.
When he's so focused on the goal. Gate? What gate?
Huh?
Since when did the city get some furry fish? For the who? New core memory unlocked. No more car wash. Who hired the furry secretary? He's running late on the meeting again.
We had to save him. Oh. And him.
Come on, Mittens. Let's go chase squirrels. Maybe there'll be a juicy drama in the park.
¡Qué estilo más bueno!
The itchy back leg shuffle is the hottest new dance craze. Don't miss out.
Ole, 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 ole.
Me trying to take a nice selfie, but it's the video mode instead. Morning zoomies activated. Backyard may not be ready, but he is. Best inspiration comes in the form of a furry muse with flappy ears. What is this new flying object? Flies? The most captivating entertainment in the house. Sometimes life throws you a bumpy road, but that doesn't mean you can't do a handstand on it. Me looking at my silly friend thinking how I could nail him. He picked out the perfect centerpiece for the living room.
Hi, can I get a drink?
Sorry, he's new.
Sit. Good.
Did someone say treats? It's his key word to kickstart his zoomies.
Sit. Turn around and sit.
He can do this one. This is good.
Brain freeze? No way. He's a true fan of ice creams.
He'll take the bowl. Okay. Let him have it. He'll clean it.
It's a waste of time. We could have been in a bar, having a nice cocktail. We could have had a coffee.
This treadmill isn't for exercise, it's for extreme toy retrieval. Work hard to play harder. Good morning! Let me catch you up on all the important neighborhood news.
Oh, ¿qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué estás haciendo?
When someone threatens to tell mum about the "you're making a mess,"
Sigue la coca, ¿qué onda, che?
the perfect place to relax after a long day of, well, being adorable.
Mad? Oh, you're mad because you have to wear that on your head? Well, you're the one who plays a little rough and tore your ear. I'm sorry. I love you.
Fear not, citizens, the neighborhood watchdog is on the case. Sunshine, snuggles, and my favorite bed. Perfect way to start the day. Puppy, ready when you are, champ. Today's the day we win the Kentucky Derby. This furry student's cuteness is off the chart, and so is his distraction level. Whoa, hold on a second. This can't be real. Who put 2 dog statues in the middle of the road like this? I left my pup unattended for 10 minutes, and now she's living the pink life. Look at this wolf wagon rolling on its way. So adorable. Just borrowed this for research purposes. We'll return it later. Napping is hard work. Don't wake the beauty or the beast, unless you bring snacks. They came for playtime, and now they have a spa day. So convenient. Move over, supermodels. Our Doggo Victoria's Secret show takes flight. The "this is how we greet" comparison, 100% versus 0 effort. Pick the best dogs, get endless fun. Like, share, and subscribe for more joy-filled moments. Thank you so much, and see you next time.